Express 56 as the product of its prime factors. A prime number is a number that only has two factors. So I'm just going to do a little list of the prime factors. The first one is 2. 1 is not a prime number because it's only got one factor. So it's 2, 3, 4 is not prime, 5, 6 is not prime, 7, 11. I think I've gone far enough. Now I'm going to use the method of the factor tree to find the prime factors. 7 multiplied by 8 gives me 56. 7 is prime, so I don't continue on that branch. 8 is equal to 2 multiplied by 4. 2 is prime. 4 is not prime. Factors of 4 are 2 multiplied by 2. So 56 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7, and I would get 1 mark for that answer, and there's 1 mark for my method of finding the factor tree. Now you could write this in index form. Either of those two answers would give you 4 marks.